Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 3. In the Indian perspective, this is the only valid meaning of secularism. My government is unequivocally committed to this concept of secularism. My colleagues and I have been nurtured in this tradition. We treasure it. It is by this tradition that we shall recreate the spirit which was the hallmark of the freedom struggle. Persons of all religions, and all professions were working together to create a strong, confident, and resurgent India. As we approach the dawn of a new century and a new millennium, the mission of India's national renewal beckons us all, the government and the people alike. As the first imperative, we must restore the credibility of people life and public institutions, making them once again reliable and independent pillars of state. The second key is to mobilize talent at all levels from all corners of society. I still remember the thrill that every Indian felt 50 years ago when our country won independence. Every Indian felt we were set on a great adventure, and for a while, talent of the highest order was in fact galvanized for reconstructing our country. That air of excitement and that gathering up of talent is what I want to recreate. My government shall reach out to talent across the country. It shall strive to create a new work culture, a world class working environment, so that the best remain here to build our country, and those who are now working elsewhere return and put their prodigious acumen to work for their country. While I do not want to talk of policies and programs today, there are 5 goals that I do want to place before you. These are close to my heart, and there are goals which my government shall go all out to achieve. My government is determined to take steps which will help us double our food production and make India hunger free in 10 years. It is indeed alarming that the per capita availability of food grains, which is already abysmal, has been decreasing. It is a matter of grave concern. My government is committed to rapid expansion and improvement of India's social infrastructure, drinking water, housing, education, healthcare, and sanitation. In particular, we shall provide within 5 years safe drinking water to every settlement in the country. Drinking water availability is the urgent need for any civilization, and we shall do our best in this area. Thank you.